What's up, folks? How are we doing? Welcome back to the East Coast Kitchen. We got a very exciting one. Easter weekend coming up. We are doing delicious, fudgy, mini egg brownies. Without further ado, folks, let's bake. Everything in this recipe is made inside of one bowl, very little cleanup. There's a couple crucial steps that you need to do to make sure that these turn out perfectly. One of which is making sure that butter is really nice and hot. So first things we're gonna do is take that butter into the bowl with the sugar and the oil. Take a hand mixer, do it in the stand mixer, and mix that up. Do not rush this process. You wanna make sure that that sugar gets really, really finely melted into that butter. Once you get that part done, what we're gonna do is crack in 2 eggs, add in the vanilla, and then beat that until those eggs are nice and pale yellow. Those liquids are now all mixed together. We're going to sift in the dry stuff. This is very fun, but crucial that we don't overmix here because we don't want tough brownies. Nobody wants a tough brownie. So we're gonna sift in the cocoa as well as the flour, add in the shaved chocolate as well as those mini eggs, and then just fold everything together. All right, we got the brownie mix into an 8x8 pan. Now we're gonna chuck it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350. Really what you're looking for is that center to be set, but still jiggly. You want a fudgy brownie in the oven. All right, brownie's baking away. Now let's kick on with this icing. It's dead simple. Grab a little bit of butter, some cocoa, icing sugar, touch of vanilla, a little bit of cream, whip that up until it is velvety smooth. Okay, we just pulled it out. You can see that nice sheen on top, those beautiful cracks. This is going to be lovely. So that was about 21 minutes in the oven. I'm gonna let this fully cool, and then we'll get some icing on top. Decorate with mini eggs, and we are off to the races. Okay, the brownie's totally cool. The icing's ready to go. Mini eggs are crushed. Folks, we're to the point now, all we need to do is just plate this up. Decorate in any way you can. Perfect thing to get the kids to do. This looks totally ridiculous. I cannot wait to eat this. Chocolatey, a little bit salty, crunchy, fudgy AF. 100% make it. Make this.